Have you ever felt emotionally stuck? Like there's something blocking you, but you don't know what it is. It could be your spell work isn't working the way you want it to work, or you're feeling blocked on a ritual level, or even feeling a bit disconnected from spirit or from the goddess and God. All that is that there's something that's going on inside your head, thoughts, beliefs, assumptions that are causing you to feel blocked and energetically be blocked. And all you have to do is understand what they are and release them. And in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful spell that you can do with Hecate's assistance, the goddess of the crossroads, and the remover of obstacles, to help you get back on track again, connect to who you truly are, and move forward with what it is you are wanting to do with your life. My name is Sandra. I've been a witch for 35 years, and I help other witches who are struggling with overwhelm, feeling unsure of maybe where to start a practice, or to deepen a practice, to confidently integrate magic into their everyday life with ease. And I do that through my YouTube channel, I do that through my books, and I also do that through my online courses and my one-on-one coaching. And if you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, but you're just confused about where do I start, what do I do, what order do I learn in, what's the easiest way for me to understand all of this stuff that witches do, I have a free video called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can sign up for that video. It's actually a masterclass, so it goes for about 40 minutes and you're going to get a lot of great information from that video. So let's get on with the spell. So for this spell, what you need are 2 red candles and a black candle. I have them in the formation of a triangle with my burning bowl in the center, because you're going to write any of the beliefs that you've discovered that are holding you back, or just any of the thoughts that are holding you back. You can write them on a piece of paper and burn them. You're going to cleanse yourself, and you're also going to need a key. Now this key can be any key that you use. This is your connection to Hecate. So you're going to connect this key to the energy of Hecate, and this is going to be a Hecatean key. So to begin the ritual, make sure that you've cleansed your space around you. You can do that through walking around the room with some incense and with some salt water. When you sit down to start doing your spell, take a few deep breaths. You might want to draw some energy up through the earth into your body, so that you're using the energy of the universe and the earth instead of your own energy for the spell. The very first thing you're going to do as you've settled is to light the candles. And then we're going to call in Hecate. Oh, Hecate. Oh, Hecate. Oh, Hecate, I ask that you attend my rite, to guide me and help me in my magic, and to help me break through the obstacles keeping me stuck, so that I can be who I truly am and understand that I am the I am. Hecate Anodia, keeper of the crossroads, light bearer and guide, I call upon you to illuminate my path. Take the key and hold it in your hands. Oh, Hecate, aid me in releasing what no longer serves me, and to open the way to my power. By your torches I see, and by your key I am free. Run the key through the heat of the candles to consecrate it. I cleanse and consecrate this key so that it may be fit to serve me in my work. Remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. Oh, Hecate, bless this key. Oh, Hecate, bless this key. Oh, Hecate, bless this key. And then put the key down. Now your piece of paper has all of the things written on it that you're wanting to release and remove. It could be just how you're feeling. You want to release the feelings of helplessness and hopelessness. You want to release the feeling that you're stuck, or the belief that you're stuck. You want to stop telling yourself that you can't move forward because of this, that, and the other thing. Write it all down. It doesn't matter how many pieces of paper you end up with. What you're going to do is burn it. So fold the paper away from you. Take tongs or just use your fingers. I like to use tongs so that I don't burn my fingers. And use the black candle to burn the paper. I honor these feelings, these thoughts. They have served me in the past. But now I release them to the flames of transformation. And as the smoke rises, see those beliefs dissipate and go away. Next, I have a bowl of water. So in the water, I'm going to cleanse and consecrate it. I cleanse and consecrate this water to serve me in my work, remove all malefic energy and replace with benefic energy. And when I'm consecrating something, I'm imagining that there's some white light coming from the palm of my hand. So there's energy coming from the palm of my hand into the water. And then say, Hecate, goddess of magic, let this water wash away all illusion and fear. And may my emotions flow freely, guided by your wisdom. May my path be clear, my power strong, and my spirit free. Then anoint yourself with this water. You could splash it on yourself so that you're clearing away, yet again, the negative energy, but you're replacing it with the positive energy. So you're going to have a little bit of a bird bath in this spell. Once you've done that, you feel more refreshed and more clear. It's time to put the water away and grab your key. Once again, hold the key between the palms of your hand and to your heart. With this key, I unlock the power. With Hecate's torches, I walk in wisdom and strength. No longer bound, my magic flows freely. So mote it be. And you may think of imagery of breaking through a brick wall at that point, or see yourself hatching through an egg if it's like an eggshell around you. That's the imagery I've often had, is that there's some sort of cocoon or egg shell around me that I have to break through. Whatever the imagery is of the blockage or the wall that you're trying to break through, you can see yourself breaking through that and what it feels like to be free of it. So even though I've done this spell quite fast, take your time with it. Allow the candles to burn down when you're finished, if they can burn down safely. If they can't burn down safely, you can snuff them out. When you discard your spell materials, you can just put them in the bin and just say, I now discard these spell materials unceremoniously, and throw them in the bin. It is tradition to discard your spell remains in a natural location, particularly a living body of water. But we're more environmentally conscious these days, and if the spell materials aren't completely biodegradable, then it's probably best to put them in the rubbish bin. So what this spell will do is it will help you start to feel more clarity. You might get more creative ideas coming to you. You might get opportunities coming to you. You might run into some people or meet new people who can help you. You may discover a new process or a new technique that can help unblock some of the beliefs or feelings around you, or unblock your feelings around your spell work not working. It's an aid to assist you in taking the action that you need to take to move through those blockages. So spells are like catalysts in many ways. They initiate change, and it's up to you then to follow through on that. And if you want to learn more about magic and ritual and energy work, and how to work with the Sabbats, work with the lunar energies, and bring this practice into your life on a daily basis to give your life a sense of meaning, spirituality, and connection, I have a 12-month course called the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. And in that course, you will learn everything you need to learn to deepen your practice, start your practice, know where to start, what to do. You'll have me to help you along the way, give you guidance so that you're learning at a pace that you can learn in easily and effortlessly, as well as have all of the knowledge and resources available to you to know how to cast really good spells, as well as ritual, energy work, casting circles. All of that is in the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. With the 101 Academy, you also get the Witch's Guide to Magic, which is my 5-module course on magic, and I focus particularly on love and romance, money and success, defense and protection, as well as health and well-being in that course. So you're getting actually 3 courses for one when you join the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy, because there's a daily practice course in there too to bring witchcraft and ritual into your life on a daily basis. All of this is to help you feel more connected to who you are, to your path, to feel that there's more to life than just the material things that we've been told are important to us, and to connect with the goddess and God and spirit. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can join that course. Now, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Blessed be.